In the indoor playground, bright and white. There's so much fun where we can slide in the indoor playground. Up we go, then down we glide. Laughter echoes far and wide. Up we go, climbing high on walls so tall. No fear of falling, not at all. Climbing high on walls so tall. We swing on ropes and feel so free. It's the best place for you and me. We swing on ropes and feel so free. It's the best place for you and me. Up and down, we fly through the air with friends around. It's fun to share. Jumping high on trampolines, like bouncing beans in crazy scenes. Jumping high on trampolines, like bouncing beans in crazy scenes. Swimming through with joy and cheer. It's the happy place to be. No fear, swimming through with joy and cheer. The ball pits where we love to dive. The sea of colors comes alive. The ball pits where we love to dive. The sea of colors comes alive. From bar to bar, we twist and swing, feeling like we're flying on a wing. From bar to bar, on monkey bars, we swing so strong. Hands grip tight as we move along the monkey bars. Through tunnels long, we crawl and race with smiles that light up every face. Through tunnels long, racing down the twisty slide. Our hearts are full, we laugh with pride. Racing down the twisty slide. Building blocks stacked to the sky, we create castles way up high. Building blocks stacked to the sky, we create castles way up high. Towers tall and walls so wide, our imagination never high. Towers tall and walls so wide. In every corner there's a game. Adventure calls, and we proclaim. With every step, a new delight. The indoor playground shines so bright with every step. So come along, let's jump and play. In this fun world, we stay all day. With friends, with laughter, all around. With friends, in the indoor playground, joy is found. In the indoor playground, joy is found.
Tasks made of green and yellow